Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this. It all begins with sourcing the finest cocoa beans, sugar, and milk powder for our signature blend.
Huge automated grinders crush the roasted beans, releasing the rich cocoa butter hidden within. Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made. Winner Haynes, from start to finish.